The D, man.
Yeah, shout out my nigga from D's Media, you feel me?
Say who it is, though. That's a real bitch.
The fans want to know too, like, damn, when did y'all get beef with Bloodhound?
Cause they, Cause
he's not from Bloodhound.
He not from Bloodhound. He
That's real brother number one. If you PG, you on this PG, I found Shorty mama.
I can tell that we bail. How you mad? Yo, let me chop a boy. We killed this homie. We killed this homie. Get off sweat, bro. That was money. Oh, no, these niggas booty. Yeah, I fuck. What's he booty? We got.
Shit, they thought we had
Right, they had to see me. Almost had him. Who was speedy? Big drive because I trust him. That's right hit, and we shot him. TB this, then we call him. Hold on, Vic, I think I saw him. Club out they trying to teach. Bought the trap, legit and queef. SOS, they want some beef. Risky Ray, BOG. All switches on the seat. Man, phone them on the spree. Fuck, but we got on 3. We pursuit. Money slow, we still shoot. We some kids know what we doing. Get a drop up, there we going. Damn, Visky, we on front room. He ain't be mental. I ain't hit, but I'm fit to. Backpack, that's what we smoke. Now no joke, start. I'm a whale. G-Thing ran. Let's be fail. If she going, I can tell. Clap his out, they pursue. Money slow, we still shoot. We some kids know what we doing. Get a drop up, there we going.
Let's go get my haircut, man. We finna go get out of here.
I ain't hit, but I'm good. That's what we smoke. Say shit out, we got no joke. I'm a shark, I'm a whale. I can tell that we bail. How you mad? Yo, let me chop a boy. We killed this homie. We killed this homie. Get off sweat, bro. That was money. Oh, no, these niggas booty. Yeah, we booty. We like Call of Duty. Lost my gun cause you do fruit. And we get it cause I'm Louis. We got ball cause I'm snapping. They can crib me, let them have it. Get on feet, get off their path. Why you shoot me to this jacket? Why shoot you to this jacket?
Wow, she was legend.
Them spankers, you hear me? Like,
Dumb rappers. They go crazy. Dumb rappers, man.
y'all on it.
Huevo, man. Don't worry, fam. Bitch,
We all go to right, how we up in the beat. I said it was making them freeze. Yeah, I like sipping on green and hair like the perfect to sleep. We finna battle on 3, it's only 4 of us, so you tell me how many need. They back on there to come outside, you ain't gon' come, go leave her twice a week. That ain't my she got nice teeth. She choosing, but she on me, don't need drink tea, but like she my type tea. You see me really cut block, jump out with chops with Drake on AIP. He running and switching the topic, everywhere I look, I know the feds on me. We blowing and stepping in blood, so we need J, so you sitting outside the club. 10K and 100 men, I prefer dubs, it's way nine in the trenches, none but two. So one sacrifice they meant to. I like Christ, they had me fidgeting. Why you ask me, I don't know if I can light it up. That's what's making her look. She look, she took. Now I'm gonna post 8 block right down Kingston, I'm good. I'm actually waiting for wood. Tweakers and tweakers, I find that got you. I like my perk 30 sky blue. Gave my heart, that was me trying something new. You tell me for you what I want to. My uncle probably was probably meant to. We call him such a spring spaghetti. Me chase you like chasing the Yeti. You can't just stop the switch left, then back right, boy, you know you done for. Hang out leg with a blindfold on Draco and a big hole. Eat the peso. He said he called him off on way time about us some back road. Pass the steak on, I'm talking drugs, I keep those. Bust down me a little perk, cause all of my shirt, she keep trying to flirt. Do it, keep asking, go in discussion. You and your boy both going, y'all both bosses. Stop trying to give me the coffee. Bring it up.
The rubber. I should have put some lotion on my face on Cello Gray, fool. Yeah, y'all know.
They having a party, let's go shoot it up. I dive in the name and getting it, don't know I got enemy. I was just young shooting, get real up in seconds. Blitz with switches, but I'm too sharp and rushing. Bounce out 4 different ways with only 3 niggas. Our feet on land, we touch it. I'm in them cars for real. Hey, big, I'm finish with buddy. I knew that's who think for real. Chasing a nigga ain't getting some money. I'm gonna be real as fuck how you feel. I do need a haircut on. Look around the grave. Oh, that's what I'm finna go get though. Don't need trip. Bipping photos, shit look buffering. Give me you think we not. They talk on the tips, but if you come back, you don't wanna go there. Grab him, he tried to run, made it nowhere. 30 is button, the whole house happy. 3 shots, I couldn't help it. Shot to his face, finna show you how to nap. That's our shit to a skeleton, hot on his flesh. I'm on night, I need my man. I let off the duck, we dump the rest. Yeah, in the truck, bitch, come from rain. That's that double, so we can play. Big like that, I want to eat way up in the vet. Fucking eat way up in the vet. Fucking eat way up in the vet. We say, we get bored and roll up max.
What you do? I
Let's Texas. We know where they at. Too tired to get up, they having a party. Let's go shoot it up. My dog on the net is getting. Don't know I got enemy. I was just young shooting buckets, seconds, blitz with switches, but I'm too tough for Russia. Bounce off 4 different ways with only 3 niggas. I beat on land, we touch it. I'm in them cops for real. Ain't bloody. Only left who think for real. Chasing a nigga and get some money. I'ma be real, this goofy ass die for nothing. We really kill shit for it. Ain't too fair, stop fucking coming. Business for the always run that game. We playing the gun playing. We not play tough. They talking intense, but if you talk fast, you don't wanna go down. Grab him. He tries to run, they got bond the whole lot of time. Feels the shots, I couldn't help it. Shots to his face, finna show you how to help. That's our shit to a skeleton. I'm on British Mountains. I'm on 90, I need my minutes. I'm not for duck, we dump the rest. Yeah, the trap, bitch, you coming correct. That's fat W, so we at the plate. Big like that, I want to eat way up in the vet. Fucking eat way up in the vet. Fucking eat way up in the vet. I'm like, he said, we get bored and roll up, man. Shit, so I ain't getting up. They having a party. Let's go shoot it up. My dog on the net is getting. Don't know I got enemy. I was just young shooting buckets. Shit'll get real up in seconds. Blitz with switches, but I'm shooting something for Russia. Bounce out 4 different ways with only 3 niggas. I feet on land, we touching. I'm in them cops for real. Hey, only left who think for real. Chasing a nigga and get some money. I'ma be real as fuck. How you feel? As goofy as die for nothing. We really kill shit for it. Ain't too fair. Try to fuck your car. The time is for the bubble. Here we got him. Oh, we not coming. Hey, you do I wanna go now? Come on, we going.
Too tired of ain't getting on, brother.
They having a party. Let's go shoot it up.
And we in some bullet.
Yeah.
And we in some bullet.
Yeah.
And we in some bullet.
Yeah.
And we in some bullet.
Yeah, I do need cut, dude.
Huh?
I do need cut, dude.
You bogus on me.
Hey, cut.
Let me play this video. Hold on. You was just saying this on the phone that you saying Bloodhound, but y'all be with Bloodhound now, correct? Because y'all just merged it and said Queez never said, but y'all just merged it and said Vic never said Blood Just to CJ. But they never said Blood Just around Shorty. My get y'all phone. Stop scaring me in real life.
Someone
Recorded them, and yes, I recorded them on purpose. Found out to show y'all that these niggas be bapping. Stop playing with me.
Hey, so they be bapping folk.
Now who else want this? Who else want this? They told y'all. They told Shorty Mob personally full of Joes. And y'all didn't say.
Hey, on my I ain't say nothing. I don't know what you talking about.
I swear to God, he said we told Shorty Mob personally. Free what he said in that video.
They funny folk.
Stop playing me, talking about making something up. Our little brother CJ got the video of Vic saying, Vic get into it with CJ on my own, both of my kids. We out of town making I got booked, I missed your funeral, I couldn't even, that video. And Vic get into it with CJ, which is the manager. If y'all know CJ, y'all know CJ background. I'm murdering CJ in this because I really but do not play with me like I'm lying. When I really say, it be the truth. I don't gotta lie on nobody that's dead, none of that. I never been that type and I'm lying. I don't gotta lie about. We send down Vic and CJ, which is Myron, which is Fullchop manager, get into it. Since he know that since he know that CJ used to record Lil Jeff songs or whatever, he hit that. Oh yeah, Lil Jeff. Oh my, Jay recorded his, and CJ told him, and you lucky I won't show them Bloodhound that you sent Jeff, but you be around them now. Call my bluff. You niggas need to go and tam out for being created. The only reason y'all was on because y'all was with Shorty my goofies, y'all rookies. Around you niggas for 2 years and a half. Not like that. Stop letting this internet out head up.
So
Oh
why
my
you ain't
damn
come
little
hang with the
cousin.
mob?
But took from one of y'all.
What you just say? What you say? What you just say?
Did money just get took from one of y'all? Exactly.
Cool with Shorty mom, hell yeah, but no. 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 Oh no. Dollar bill, yeah. G Snake on that stretcher. Yeah, help him fully. He in the hospital dancing. Hospital dancing, that's why. You going? How you come, brother? Freak Black, BBA.
The D man. Yeah, shout out my nigga from D's Media, you feel me?